Namaste friends, good morning. Today I'm going to talk with you very serious issue. We all face an enemy which we cannot see but we feel it, and everyone is scared. What will happen? We don't know. COVID-19 or corona is a really dangerous one. But what should we do? We must think about our willpower. We must improve our immunity power. We must eat good food, healthy food, and try to avoid gathering. Keep a social distance. Every time you must wash your hand. Don't touch your hands to your nose, mouth, eyes. Don't rub it. So, this may be helpful for you. There is no vaccination, there is no tablet, there is no injection, there is no liquid, there is nothing is there against COVID. What we have? We have determination, immunity power, willpower, strong and healthy body and mind also. So be careful. I am really happy when I am going to talk with you, my dear student. It is not online lecture. It is a lecture which is going through that online. I just made this video and upload on our group where the 12th arts boys and 12th arts girls are there, and you can download it and then hear my voice and see me. That's really nice. Everyone must follow each and every instruction given by your subject teachers. What I had seen when I had created the groups means after 16th June, now 1.5 month is completed. But what I had feel now, the boys groups and girls group, who is activate? Groups, boys girls group is very activate more than boys. Boys are not interested to learning. Why do you not want to learn? You just listen it. You just try to follow the instructions given by your subject teacher. Try to understand, try to write down the notes in your notebook. We don't know that when we are going to meet face to face. Till then, we just have this medium to interact with each other. Whatever your problems, share on group or personally. Ask some problems, but don't be negative. Be optimistic. Be positive. You will get it. I think that I am overconfident about it. Whatever it may be, someone said that Mr. Chitta is very overconfident. I have a faith on you. My students are really clever. My every student have the ability to complete his or her homework, classwork, or he or she definitely thinks about her or his bright and prosperous future. Don't be pessimistic. Everything will be clear in future. Don't care about it. God will help us. But there is a thing God helps everyone? No. God helps those who are worked hard. We all know that. So I'm really glad to interact with you. I had given you activity sheet or question paper pattern, and before that an astrologer a day a video which is I had seen on YouTube, and I shared with you. uh, Girls groups activate, and they are always discuss about everything. They ask us, sorry, they asked us about the problems, how to write down the notes, how to complete the homework. But what will the group of boys? I really scared about you boys. Yes, please, I humbly request to all of you, please do something for you, for your family, for your mother, for your father. This is the reality of yourself. High education, good education will help you in future. Without education, you cannot stand or you cannot face the problem of world. This is the time you just take the good things, acquire the good things, grab the opportunity, and you just share each and everything. So, thank you very much. आपण पुन्हा भेटूया पुढच्या लेक्चरला. आतासाठी एवढं पुरेसं. उद्या मात्र मी तुमच्याबरोबर आपल्या नवीन विषयाला सुरुवात करणार आहे, जो टॉपिक आहे नॉवेल संदर्भातला, त्याच्यावर आपण बोलणार आहोत. सो टिल देन, हॅव अ नाईस डे. थिंक अबाउट इट, स्टडी अबाउट इट. एव्हरीथिंग विल क्लिअर. गॉड विल हेल्प अस. डोंट बी फिअर. ओके, थँक यू. बाय.